When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, people. Today we've got Judge Oakley going up against an arrogant stoner youngster who appears to be the hero of his own legal drama. This guy is absolutely out of touch, acting as if the law doesn't apply to him, but Judge Oakley is about to give him a major reality check. Will he follow the judge's advice, or will he simply walk out and smoke another blunt? Leave your opinions in the comments below, and then join us for this crazy courtroom moment.
Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
No.
Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right. I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right. I understand you're almost done with school.
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7, and then
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license? Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but.
Come on, it isn't even a question. This guy has been smoking since birth. The doctor most likely severed the umbilical cord and immediately hit a blunt. You don't have to be a detective to notice it. His eyes are half closed, he moves slowly, and he has that classic, I don't know where I am looking. This dude is the epitome of a stoner, completely unconcerned, simply vibing with the Zaza. And while being cool is one thing, coming up to court looking like you just used a gravity bong, that's insane. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if he was high right now.
Yeah.
See you do that?
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often?
What's that mean?
Like, barely?
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. If you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when I've been, I guess he got here to
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
What this guy just claimed he makes $14,000 per year and is definitely going to college. If he doesn't get fired from his small job, that's the same spirit as saying, I was going to be a doctor, but then McDonald's let me go. I am not buying it for a second. To be honest, I feel awful for him. It is evident that he has never had a strong masculine role model to educate him how to handle oneself. And let's be honest, judges aren't exactly known for their compassion, but Judge Oakley, you can tell he cares. He's attempting to rouse this youngster up with the way he speaks to him. But do I believe it is going to work? Possibly not. This man seemed set in his ways. College, if he even gets it there, he'll drop out the first semester. He has no regard for authority. Teachers, cops, judges, they're all the same to him. Let me know what you think. Can Judge Oakley genuinely reach out to him? Or is this youngster a lost cause?
Well, I'm also adopted, so, the state will pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service. Have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
I don't believe this child is changing anything. When he arrives home, he will most likely light up as if nothing occurred. And that's the terrible part. So many young boys out here have just lost. There is no direction, no discipline, and you just drift through life making one stupid mistake after another. This happens when there is no strong male role model in the picture. Nobody teaches them responsibility, how to walk intelligently, or even how to carry themselves with some self-esteem. Instead, they appear in court as if it were a joke, as if the judge is about to dap them up and let them go free. But that is not how the law works. And honestly, Judge Oakley is right. He will see this kid again since it is clear he does not care. But, well, that's just my opinion. What do you think? Should we feel sorry for him, or is he simply preparing himself for failure? Please share your opinions in the comments. And if you loved it, please like and subscribe. I post every day, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and as always, be careful.